food is takes a few minutes because we are cooking. So, antayin natin siya guys. Stay tuned. Makakita ko sa inyo ang dish yung itsura ng dish. Sana masarap siya.
Have our chili.
Dito man, di ba manghang? Maasim siya.
The green chili is sour.
Sour.
That one is a spicy with sauce.
We're gonna try the green chili.
Green chili.
It's sour. Sour.
Sour.
It's not hot.
Sour and crunchy.
Yeah, this is spicy. Gonna try it. Salty and spicy. How many minutes are we going to?
Oh, not sure because they have somebody also order from Grab food. I'm not sure it's that ours. Yeah.
Here guys, there's a lot of Chinese cuisine.
Yeah.
Mostly Chinese.
Yeah.
And I saw one Korean store there.
Yeah. Korean. Western food. Yes.
Chinese food. So how was your day?
It was very tiring today. But after shopping, we go straight to Esplanade.
And then we get lost. So that is so tired. We walk back and forth because we don't know where is the MRT station.
We have plenty to do today. We went for shopping, do massage, and
Do my necklace or
necklace.
your box.
Yeah,
Balikbayan ba?
balikbayan box.
So we have so many activities today. Are you tired?
I have. My back is so painful.
Painful.
Yeah. Are you going to take our food?
Eat here?
We'll get from there. Not
that
yet. Not yet. Is that us? Not sure.
She said, here's my food. Yours is not ready. So, as you can see guys, there's a rice, there's an egg, there's a which onion, a beef, and what's this? Vegetables. My order is ginger, onion, beef rice. Oh, I think we need to taste. The moment of truth.
Yeah.
If this is spicy or I don't know. We can try this. Good.
Delicious.
And it's healthy because there's egg, there's vegetables, and there's beef in one. That's it guys. I don't know how to use chopsticks. Sorry for that. walking That's it, guys. This is a Chinese cuisine. I want to
This is our dinner. It's a fried rice, seafood fried rice. Let's see the moment of truth. Let's see how yummy it is.
delicious. What's your order?
Is seafood fried rice. There's egg and there's a salted fresh prawn. There's a prawn and what's it called?
Toge.
Toge. Yeah,
Delicious.
delicious. And there's egg.
So let's eat, guys.
Let's have dinner. Let's eat.
Bye. See you next video.